So after installing the Visual Studio, you have to install this Visual Studio code. So you have to go here and install Visual Studio. Okay, and this will open up this blue color symbol. And after that, you have to download and install it after installing the Visual Studio. So after this, you just close this. Come here. Go to yes. I have installed it. So I'm opening this Visual Studio code. You have to remember that it has to be code. So after that, what you have to do, you have to get here and go to the installation packages here. This and you have to just install these things. C compiler or C++ compiler. I have installed everything. But if you just type for make, it will be there, but it will not be detected. Okay, it will not be detected since C and everything is being detected. So now what you have to do, you have to create a new file, and in that new file, I'm copying this code, Fibonacci, printing a Fibonacci sequence. Okay, just copy this and just paste it. Okay, and when you just run it on this thing, so it is so telling you that it has to install Linux subsystem and everything. But we are not going to use Linux subsystem now. Instead of that, what we are going to do is we are going to go here. In here, actually, terminal will be opening. So GDB is not opening. So terminal window. So we have to go here and we have to install mingw. Okay, mingw. You have to go here and mingw mingw gcc gcc C++ free compiler. You just type it, and after typing it, you just go for the source force data mingw64-bit and you just download it. Okay, for 32-bit and 64-bit. So I have a 64-bit OS, so I'll try to install it for the 64-bit. Okay, so the download will something went wrong. Okay, so download it again. So because everybody is downloading it, it may take some time. Okay, it is just 14 MB. It has been downloaded. And after that, go here. So the mingw has been opened. You just go. It has been downloaded. You just cut it. You just take it to a free folder where you can just unzip it. Okay. Okay. It's getting unzipped. So before that, I have to tell you something that before doing all these things, you have to understand that this is all made without Linux subsystem or Windows-based C++ compilation. Okay, so you have to understand. It's getting unzipped. mingw, where are you? Okay, it's over here. And makefile.in. No, this is showing makefile.in and mingw64. And bin has to be over here somewhere. Okay, just search for bin. Okay, this. It is only showing for a build. Okay, so mingw. So what we have done wrong is we have to install mingw install, not this thing. So install mingw. Okay, so this is a compiler. You just go for this download for Windows, and after that, what you have to do, go for it and just how to install mingw. Okay, cdll. Every instruction has been given over here. You have to just create a path. Okay, so mingw installer download, and it is all telling this only. So again, go to download mingw.org and download. Okay, now go for a download. It's not over here anywhere. I don't know where to download it. So after that, you go to the getting started and go to the get mingw.setup. Okay, and you just it is just downloading it. Okay, it has downloaded. So you just click it. So this mingw is something different. So after you get this mingw, so it is from this side only. So you have to note that you have to just click download mingw installer and go to this mingw.org and go to this download getting started. After that, you have to go and click this. And after that, click install mingw. Continue. Okay. So it is just unpacking everything. After that, you have to continue. Then from here, you have to install. After installing the mingw, you have all these options. So I am going to install all these options. Mark for installation because we need everything. Okay, we need everything. So we are marking this for installation. And after that, wait for a second. This for C compiler, Fortran compiler. I'm going to install everything. Okay. So after that, you have to start update the catalog. Okay. Right. So now after that, what you have to do, you have to go here and click apply changes. Click apply. It will be installed. Okay. Every mingw kit will be installed. Okay. It is still downloading. Let it download. It will take some time. Okay. Let it download for a second. So we are going to use this for YOLO darknet also for installing. It is just extracting and it is going to finish all the installations now. It is installing everything. So after it has downloaded, it is installing everything. So after that, everything has been successfully installed. So let's close this. Okay. So just close this. Everything has been successfully installed. So if you want to check it, what you have to do, you have to go to this Visual Studio Code, and it has to be written as Visual Studio Code. And from here, what you have to do is you have to go to the Fibonacci sequence, where you want to copy this. Okay, okay. So this is not the thing. So we are not going to new file. Okay, new file, not in this. Okay, outline editors. We are not going to use this. So we are going to use a new kind of thing. So new file. So in this new file, you just paste this, and you just file save it. Okay, as fib.c. Okay, and videos. Okay, in fib.c in videos. And now what you have to do, you have to get out of this cd. Okay, cd arknbt darknet master. Okay, rcd dot okay, you are now in videos. So now what you have to do, you have to run this. So in order to run this, you just open here, go to the C compiler terminal, and you just try to run it. Go to the run, and run without debugging. Okay. So it says that the program needs something to install. So we have now installed the mingw. So now what you have to do, you have to go from here to here, and in the C, mingw is over here, bin. And now what you do, you just copy this. Okay. After that, you just right click this PC, and you just open this. Okay. After that, you open this, and after opening this, what you have to do, go to the advanced system settings, go to the environment variables, go to the path. Okay, path over here, type new, just paste this, do okay, and hit okay, and close this, and close this. So now what you do, you just save this again, and go to the run, and start debugging. Okay, so the JSON file says something like this. So it's like default shell. Okay, so WSL system32 bash argc bash. Okay, so it is better that you restart the system and open it again. Load with git bash, there is no problem with that. You just run without debugging. Open launch VS Code file, and you just run it again. It has been done now. Just run it. Okay. Darknet master. So it is again in the darknet master. So you just go to cd dot. Okay. Now you have to compile this. So in order to compile this, you have to fib.c make it. Now what I am doing is I am going to make an exe file without this. So after forming the JSON file, I am just going here to compile this. Still it is not found. GCC minus. Oh, it's not recognized. Okay, now in Visual Studio Code, I don't know how it is not working. Okay, but when you just after doing all these things, you just take this command. You just save this videos. For example, untitled is there, so it is so simple that you just go here and type cmd, this Fibonacci code is there. Okay, and after that what you do the rest of the thing. So in order to run the GCC version, you just copy this and go here, go to the command prompt, and just after pasting, after giving the compiler, it has been detected. So then you have to create your own thing. So GCC hello world minus o minus c. Okay, so just what you have to do, you have to put GCC and untitled. So you have to copy this, and get here, and just paste this dot c. Okay, the C++ it will be a different story. Okay, it's taking some time. So again, what you do, just copy this again. So it has been untitled has been done. Then again, what you do, you just paste this. So and it is not found. So it is actually untitled GCC minus O, and you just do it compilation terminator. So again, you have to go to this GCC untitled dot c, untitled one dot c. So it has been compiled. So after it has been compiled, it is giving some code. Okay, it is giving some code. We are not able to run that code. Not the current way to do. So it is better that you do it in this way. So you just type it this way: c minus o c.exe. Give it a name, and after that hit enter. Okay, executable will be created. Okay, and after the executable is created. So after that, what you do, you just get here and type c.exe. So it must ask some questions. Okay, so 12 is asking number of elements 122. So 122 Fibonacci numbers has been print. So this is a simple way. So first you just type GCC minus O untitled that name, and give it a c.exe or fib or anything. Okay, and after that what you do, you just type c.exe, and give number of elements. So this is compiled in this manner. Then after in Visual Studio Code, okay, you just go to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's better that you go with the new window. Don't open the old window. You just go here, Visual, create a new window, and in the new window you just go and open a file. Okay, so we have already saved a file called untitled.c. No needed that. Go to the videos. In that here fib.c is there. Okay, c is already here. So let's delete the c and just find fib.c. to again save this, then you just go down here, okay, and C compiler should be over here. So this is actually mingw compiler. So you have to add this bash and again add this 3 bashes, select default. So our thing should be WSL. I think so, WSL, and it's not supposed to be here. So two problems, debug terminal. So C compiler terminal is supposed to be showing this Git oriented thing, but this is not needed. So when we run it, okay, so GDB C++ on Windows, okay, and this file is main directory is existing. So I don't know why this is not working over here, but it is working in some other place. So let's go for command prompt. So command prompt would be better. Go here. So it is better that terminal auto on, but it is not showing. C++ or anything is not showing. Okay. So in here it is not working. Executable is not working. I'll just fix it as soon as possible. Okay. So in here it is working. So you can use this command prompt as this. And also now what you can do is search how to install make in mingw. Okay. Just install how to install mingw. Okay, how to install Makefile in mingw. Just go here to the Stack Overflow. Just go down and how to install this makefile.ini. So it is there. Actually, make is there. So you just go here to the C and go to the mingw, the min. So make should be there. So ms is there, but ma is not there. Okay, Makefile is not there. It's not there. So it is better that you have to install it. So what they are telling is that cd into the directory makefile.min and makefile where you're trying to make file, try using mingw. Okay, it's supposed to be mingw. So you just go here, tell it to make is over here. Okay, so mingw are simply executable to be solution and remake it, and you'll have this. Okay, now you can just run an executable file. So in here what they are telling is that you can now compile this darknet. So you can go to this videos, darknet master, and then type cmd. Now you type make. Let's see what happens. So make is not recognized as a batch file or this file. So it is not recognized over here. And how to run make file gcc version is not given over here. Okay, it's not given over here. How to run darknet in mingw. Okay, so in mingw make how to do it, they have been telling it. So you just go here. So in here mingw64, installing get mingw64, and you just install it. I don't know why it is not installing. Okay. And only one thing is successful. Darknet is now downloaded. Enter mingw-32. So what they are telling is that in Makefile, remove go.o, remove go.o from build. Makefile remove go.o, and examples you have to run this. Win64 only they are using. So this is a very important file. So we will use for our future projects.